Sistem Teknik was established in 1979 for servicing on industrial control systems and has been experienced in manufacturing industrial heat treatment furnaces since 1981 until now. Our company has become one of the leading companies in Turkey and worldwide by designing and manufacturing so many kinds of industrial furnaces and heat treatment lines for ferrous and non-ferrous metal industries in the past 30 years period. Sistem Teknik manufactures standard or special design heat treatment furnaces according to requirements of metallurgy, iron and steel, automotive, and other industries, while providing after-sales services and wide range of spare parts as well. Sistem Teknik manufactures and sells following type of furnaces mainly: vacuum furnaces for die mold and aviation industry, roller hard continuous type furnaces for iron and steel industry, pit and bell type annealing furnaces for sheet coils and wires, boogie hard furnaces for foundries, continuous heat treatment lines for fastener and forging industry, complete heat treatment lines for automotive leaf spring industry, heat treatment furnaces and cementation furnaces with protective atmosphere for automotive industry, heat treatment furnaces for LPG and CNG cylinders manufacturing, big autoclaves and dryers for electrical transformer industry, special design furnaces for various industries. Sistem Teknik manufactures its products with its own international accredited patents, ISO 9001 quality assurance system registration, and strong designability, and exports them to Germany, France, Belgium, Poland, Russia, Ukraine, Iraq, Syria, Egypt, Morocco, Brazil, and many other countries. Today, Sistem Teknik is a leading company in Turkey with its quality, experience, and successful research and development studies, and now facilitates in its new and modern factory with 60 employees and each experienced in their subjects on a 5,000 square meter closed and 5,000 square meter open production area. The target of our company is being one of the well-known 5 companies in the world in its field. As Sistem Teknik, we would be honored to present the heat treatment furnaces which will meet your heat treatment requirements, upgrade the quality of your end products, and increase your capacity and competition ability. Our prior principles are customer satisfaction, acting as a strong team, protecting the environment, and hardworking. Sistem Teknik manufactures solutions for heat treatment requirements.